I think there's a very serious situation right now. I'm at the Jalan Sultan Plaza, behind Jalan Sultan Plaza. Okay, and I see almost dead bird twitching, twitching out of breath, twitching. Okay, if I can zoom in, I don't go too near. Okay, twitching. It's not dead yet, but it's twitching. And I see another bird, pigeon. Okay, I just parked beside. I'm wearing a mask just for myself. And another bird that is twitching over here. I actually turned it over. It was on its back. I actually turned it over, and it's twitching, catching for breath. It's twitching, catching for breath. I mean, what the F is happening right now? I call the ambulance. They said it's not under the responsibility. I call the police. They say ask me to call NEA or EVA. I'm going to call, but this is serious because it's twitching, just like human beings with the COVID-19, and they are catching for breath. They're twitching, and there's one bird dead, and there is another bird that is almost dying, and this bird is like gone. It's twitching. Look at that. It's twitching. It is bloody Singapore. I mean, what is going on? And I think, is this serious? Something like got to do with COVID-19? So let's see. And got to wear mask. I'm doing this with the mask on. So 2 birds. One bird's here. The other bird's over there.